Hi, my name is Heather. Welcome to Strings and Threads, coming to you from my dungeon of dreams. Thank you so much for being here. I love all things crochet, yarn, and knitted. If you agree with me, I encourage you to subscribe. It's free, it helps my channel, and it lets YouTube know that you like my content. Hi, my name is Heather. Welcome to Strings and Threads. Today I want to show you the video tutorial for how to make the crocheted griddle stitch. And I'm going to be using medium weight yarn. I think I got this on a clearance. There was no ball band with it, but you can see that it is a medium weight yarn. And I'm going to use an eye hook with it. Eye hooks are 5.5 millimeter. It doesn't say it on there, but they are. So you can do this with any type of yarn that you want. I just suggest that you would use the hook size that is recommended for the yarn. So to get started, you chain in any multiple of even numbers. So I'll probably just start with 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In the second chain from the hook, we're going to put a single crochet. And then the next stitch will be a double crochet. We're going to alternate back and forth between single and double crochets all the way across. So the next stitch will be a single crochet, and then the next stitch will be a double crochet. I'll do one more of the pattern with you, and then I'll pause and you can pause too, and we can finish our row. Single crochet and then double crochet. All right, go ahead and finish your row, and then we'll come back. Here's how it looks. I'm going to turn. Then we're going to chain 2. I ended with a single crochet in the last stitch. You should have as well. If we did even numbers, then that's the way it should end. So then we'll just chain 2, and we'll put a double crochet into the single crochet. Single crochet. The chain is not going to count as a stitch, okay? Single crochet into the double crochet from the row below. And then we just alternate between double crochet and single crochet. You should be putting the opposite stitch that's in the row below it. So right here is a single crochet from the row below. We're going to put a double crochet into that single crochet. I love the texture that this stitch brings. Single crochet into the double crochet from the row below. But if you alternate, it should be working out. The only way it wouldn't work out is if we accidentally put like 2 single crochets next to each other or 2 double crochets next to each other. But as long as we're following the pattern, you should be able to alternate and it would be totally fine. And then the last stitch is a single crochet that we started with. We'll put a double crochet into it. Okay, then we'll turn. You can see this really nice texture that it's bringing to the pattern. Since we ended with a double crochet, we're just going to chain 1, and we're going to put a single crochet as the first stitch because we ended with a double crochet. So every other row is going to start with a different thing. This row, we started with a single crochet. The next row, we'll start with a double crochet. So you just have to remember what you ended with, and then you start the next row with the opposite. So we put a double crochet into the next because this was a single crochet, and then alternate it. And I'll pause and bring this to the end of the row, and then I'll show you one more row because it's basically a 2-row repeat where, the first row you do double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, and then the next row you do single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, and then just alternate from there. Oops, I'm missing my double crochet here. All right, finish the row. All right, I put a single crochet into that last double crochet, and then we don't do anything with the chain 2, but we will turn and then chain 2. The chain 2 doesn't count to anything, and then this row would be double crochet first, and then a single crochet, then a double crochet, and so on. I'm going to build a couple of rows here, and then I'll come back and show you how this swatch looks a little bit taller. All right, here's how it looks after a few rows. I think it has an amazing texture. I'm really happy with it. I hope you like this stitch. If you want to see more of what I do, please feel free to subscribe. It's free, and it just really helps support the channel. Thank you. Have a great day.